How to rotate a video in VLC Media Player. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your VLC Media Player and then choose the video that you want to rotate. Now you will see various options in the toolbar at the top. Go to Tools and then go to Effects and Filters, or you can even press on Ctrl E shortcut. Now something like this will open up and you'll need to go to Video Effects tab, and then under Video Effects go to Geometry. Now you can see Rotate, just tick on it, and then as you can see you can move the circle to rotate the video however you want. So there you go, it's as simple as that. Now just hit save after you're done, and then you can watch the video that way. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.